Hello students, welcome to RP Education Class App. Hope you all are doing good. In this video, we are going to see one of the big news about revised investment limits of micro, small and medium enterprise that is declared by our Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Before going into the details, if you are planning to give UGC NET June 2020 exam on management, that is paper code 17, then it is a very good news to all of you that the online course is available for the subject, where you will get full notes of 10 units of paper 2 of management as per the updated syllabus, which is totally exam oriented and every topic is described thoroughly. Along with that, you will get unit-wise MCQs and previous year question sets. Also, you will get online lectures by which your concept on the subject will be more clear. So the interest candidates may contact with me by comment here or by mail, which is given in the description box. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon. Then you are going to get the top updates and immediate notifications. Now, while coming to the present content of the today's video, that while delivering the economic package which is a part of Aatmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyaan, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on 13th May 2020 has announced revisions in the definition of micro, small and medium enterprises, that is MSME. Earlier, the MSMEs were defined on the basis of investments put in. Now, the revised definition also include turnover of the company. Sitharaman also declared that there will be no more distinction between manufacturing and service MSMEs. She said that in earlier the criteria for manufacturing units and service units were different. Now those distinctions between manufacturing and service MSMEs are being removed. They will all be defined similarly. Actually, in all the countries, the economic activities are classified into three terms. Primary sector, where mainly agriculture goods are included. Secondary sector are basically the industrial or manufacturing sector, where all physical goods are produced. And tertiary sector, which are mainly service sector like transportation. Now let me know in the comment section that what percentage of GDP of our country is contributed by this each sector individually. But today I will discuss only secondary and tertiary sector. The Government of India introduced Micro Small Medium Enterprise Development Act on 2006, where government has declared that which firm is categorized as MSME by the investment limit. So this is the official declaration that from now onwards, a company with an investment of up to 1 crore and turnover of rupees 5 crore will be treated as micro company. Earlier, a service sector company with investment of up to 10 lakh and a manufacturing company with investment of up to 25 lakh was defined as a micro company. Likewise, a company with an investment from 1 crore to 10 crore and turnover of rupees 50 crore has been defined as a small company, where earlier a service sector company with investment of up to 2 crore and a manufacturing company with investment up to 5 crore was defined as a small company. Also, in case of a company with investment from 10 crore up to 20 crore and the turnover of rupees 100 crore has been defined as a medium company. Earlier, these limits of investment in a service sector company and a manufacturing company were 5 crore and 10 crore respectively. She said that the definition being changed is done in the favor of MSMEs. There has always been this fear among successful MSMEs also that if they outgrow the size of what has been defined as an MSME, they will lose their entitled benefits. This is why MSMEs like to remain within the definition rather than grow. With the revised definitions of MSMEs, they will not have to worry about growing their size and can still avail benefits. But why MSMEs are so important? As 45% of India's total industrial employment comes from MSME sector and 50% of India's total export is done by the MSME sector. Also, 95% of all industrial units of the economy of Indian government comes from in MSME sector. And also, more than 6,000 types of products are manufactured in the micro, small, and medium enterprises. There are various advantages that firms, especially startups, can derive by registering as a MSME. Reservation policy is one of the most vital benefits given to the enterprises in the form of a policy under this sector. To ensure that MSME sector is not affected by the stiff competition in the market, the central government of India has given exclusive rights to manufacture certain products only to this sector. Under the government store purchase program, the central government of India has reserved the purchase of more than 300 products exclusively from this sector. For example, wooden furniture and fixtures, pickles, bangles, mustard oil, bread, jute, brake and clutches for automobile corporation are exclusively from this sector. Also, micro and small size enterprise can avail a 50 lakh collateral free loan since the micro and small companies are run without big financial backups. The RBI has directed banks to sanction collateral free loan to such enterprises. Also, some MSMEs may not be able to use their resources to full potential due to lack of the sophisticated technology required. The government of India, under the capital aid of technological upgradation scheme, helps these enterprises upgrade their equipment through latest technology by helping them get low interest loans from the bank. Apart from the reserved product, the government has promised to buy from these MSMEs. They are given marketing assistance even to those products manufactured by them, which do not fall under the purview of reservation policy. So students, it is the update that I want to provide through this video from my channel. For more update, please subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Thank you.